Did I do remember?
That couldn't have been more perfect.
That's so mean.
That couldn't have been more perfect timing.